Hello, dear friends and friends. Welcome back to our channel. I'm more than happy. Have you ever had to move one of these? Yep, 50-gallon drums. Heavy, awkward. When it comes to pouring and portioning, it's not easy, right? Totally nightmare. Now, not anymore. Let me show you something that's gonna change your workflow and whole life. This is Martin240D from Goodlifta. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's just another drum lifter. It's more than that. This thing is totally a game changer. It's got a full body stainless steel. It's built to last, super easy to clean, and easy to maneuver. It's perfect for pharma, biotech, food, or chemical use. You get electric lifting, electric rotation, and manual clamping for various types of drums like this. Now, here comes the best part. The rotation speed is adjustable. Now it's slow, fast, and now slow. So you can control how fast the material pours out. Whether it's thick or thin, it's precise. More than that, it comes with a weighing scale. It's precise to 0.2 kilos or 0.4 pounds. So you're not just lifting and pouring, you are measuring while you work. And yes, it drives itself. Just with a finger touch, forward, reverse, and when it turns, it automatically slows down, making driving and lifting much easier and safer. So with our smart lifter, it makes drum lifting safer, smarter, and way less exhausting. So if your team is still doing things the hard way, maybe it's time to level up. Work smarter, lift better. Goodlifta got your back. We'll see you next time. Bye.